as a person who is conscious of neatness and organization, have long been aware of problem of bathroom storage. The bathroom is where we start and end our day, so keeping it clean and tidy is very important. However, with limited space in the bathroom, finding a storage solution that fits individual needs is not easy. After some trial and error and research, a bathroom storage solution that worked especially well. First, start looking for some storage containers that fit into the vertical space. Wall space is a valuable place that has been overlooked. Hang water-resistant and easy-to-clean storage baskets. Keep these items together and more accessible. Install a mirror from Casa to meet personal needs, and can store small items such as cosmetics. This in-wall cabinet is not only a storage furniture, but also frees up space inside the cabinet. In addition, try some adjustable vertical storage shelves. These shelves can be placed on the edge of the tub. As a person who is conscious of neatness and organization, to meet the storage needs of different items. Finally, make the most of old items into useful containers. Can put them on the bathroom shelf. Reduces waste and provides some extra storage space. In summary, by finding storage containers that fit in the vertical space, utilizing wall and tub edge space, purchasing adjustable vertical storage shelves, and repurposing old items, have successfully solved bathroom storage problem. Try this approach and hope it will help you too. Follow us and get more details.